So this persistent narrative permeating the football in Jamaica that President Mike Ricketts and his administration must go. I am tired to tell you all that Ricketts and his friends not going anywhere. And if Mr. Ricketts does not go, what are we going to do? Stop supporting football. The player must stop playing for Jamaica. I was thinking that his football is supporting and not Mike Ricketts. Mr. Ricketts' name is on the Jamaica flag and on the player's jersey. Players not representing Jamaica. It's Mike Ricketts and the JFF them are represent. If Mike Ricketts don't leave the football, it must stop. No match, no tournament, no Gold Cup, no World Cup till Mr. Ricketts is gone. People get a grip. Once and for all, we cannot narrow down the support for our national team to who the president of the Football Federation is, or if they're even doing a good job. The support for our national team is supposed to be unequivocal. So uno cast Mike Ricketts aside. Uno block him out. See that? Block out Mike Ricketts and support the national team. See that? Block out Mike Ricketts. Block him out. Block him out. Block him out.